This week,
Mukhang hindi maganda ang tunog na.
araw-araw ay adventure.
Pag-ibig ang pinaka-nakamamatay na lason.
Meet the white-haired witch. Face the monster's wrath.
Pangit kung tatapos sa kanya.
Fight like a warrior. Create your own disaster.
Ayos ba?
Ayos na ayos!
Find a friend, Yeti,
Pupunta ako sa buwan!
and reach for the moon. We are going to bring the fun and excitement sa inyong mga tahanan. No worries dahil it's all for free. Just watch these movies and experience out-of-this-world adventures. Block screening every day at 6 p.m. and 2 p.m. Experience all the feels sa iHeart Movies.